Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you the steps on how to format or hard reset your HP Envy notebook model number 15t-as100. Let's go ahead and start with the steps on how to reset this. First thing, you want to press the power, then press the F11 key until you see the please wait on the screen while it's turning on. Just like you see it right here. Then this will take us to the recovery screen. Then I will show you the steps what to do. Right here we're going to choose the options. Now you want to scroll down to troubleshoot, which is the last one, then press the enter key on the keyboard. Then right here you want to choose the first option, which is reset this PC. Then right here we're going to choose the remove everything option. You can choose whichever option you want, but I'd rather go with that in case if you are selling this PC or giving it away to someone. You want to make sure everything is completely wiped off of it. In this option right here, you can delete just one drive or all of them. So we're going to pick the second one. Then in this menu right here, we're going to do fully clean the drive. Then the last step is to go ahead and confirm the reset, and it will restart the computer and it's going to start formatting everything on this PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos, and thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.